Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our e-learning classes conducted by Modern Educational Group. I am Nilambar Kormakar, your SST teacher. Today, I am going to discuss about an incident. It is associated with a cyclone which was occurred in Odisha in 1999. Okay, it is the part of lesson air. So start the lesson. Odisha, located on the eastern seacoast of India, is prone to cyclones that originate in the Bay of Bengal. On 17 to 18th October 1999, cyclone hit 5 districts of state. Another super cyclone occurred on the 29th October 1999 that devastated large portions of state. The damages caused were mainly due to three factors: wind velocity, rain, and tidal surge. The winds of up to 260 kilometers per hour, and it lasted for over 36 hours. These high velocity winds uprooted trees and damaged the kacha houses. Rooftops of several industrial sheds and other houses were also blown away. Power supply and telecom lines snapped completely. Heavy rain occurred under the influence of the cyclone for 3 days continuously. These rains led to flooding in the major rivers of Odisha. The cyclone winds caused tidal waves that swept 20 kilometers inland and brought massive destruction to the coastal areas. The 7 to 10 meter high tidal wave intruded suddenly and caused massive damage to the standing paddy crops. The cyclone originated as a depression in the Gulf of Thailand near east of Port Blair on 15th October 1999 and gradually moved in a northwestern direction. It intensified into a super cyclone and hit the area between Arasama and Balikuda in Odisha on 29th October at 10:30 am. The super cyclone swept the entire coast of the Odisha, including the cities of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack and 28 coastal towns. About 13th million people were affected. A large number of livestock were killed. Standing crops of paddy, vegetables, and fruits were heavily damaged due to salinization caused by tidal surge. Large tracts of agricultural land have turned infertile. Large tracts of sal, teak, and bamboo plantations have disappeared. The mangrove forests between Paradip and Konark totally vanished. Thank you, dear students. I will discuss the next part of this chapter through my next video. Have a nice day.